1. The term caste was derived from A. Portuguese, B. Dutch, C. German, D. English. The right answer is A. 2. The term Greater India denotes A. Political unity, B. Cultural unity, C. Religious unity, D. Social unity. The right answer is B. 3. Who is rightly called the father of local self-government in India? A. Lord Mayo, B. Lord Ripon, C. Lord Curzon, D. Lord Clive. The right answer is B. 4. The two forms of democracy are A. Parliamentary and presidential, B. Direct and indirect, C. Monarchical and republican, D. Parliamentary and king. The right answer is A. 5. Which is an extra constitutional body? A. Language Commission, B. Planning Commission, C. Election Commission, D. Finance Commission. The right answer is B. 6. The Prime Minister of India is A. Elected, B. Appointed, C. Nominated, D. Selected. The right answer is B. 7. Which is not an All India service? A. Indian Administration Service, B. Indian Police Service, C. Indian Foreign Service, D. Indian Forest Service. The right answer is C. 8. The declaration that democracy is a government of the people, by the people, for the people, was made by A. George Washington, B. Winston Churchill, C. Abraham Lincoln, D. Theodore Roosevelt. The right answer is C. 9. India attained dominion status on A. the 15th of January 1947, B. the 15th of August 1947, C. the 15th of August 1950, D. the 15th of October 1947. The right answer is B. 10. Despotism is possible in A. One-party state, B. Two-party state, C. Multi-party state, D. Two- and multi-party state. The right answer is A. 11. Marks belong to A. Germany, B. Holland, C. France, D. Britain. The right answer is A. 12. Which one of the following is the guardian of fundamental rights? A. Legislature, B. Executive, C. Political parties, D. Judiciary. The right answer is D. 13. Sarkaria Commission was concerned with A. Administrative reforms, B. Electoral reforms, C. Financial reforms, D. Center-state relations. The right answer is D. 14. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha has to address her letter of resignation to A. Prime Minister of India, B. President of India, C. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. The right answer is C. 15. A presidential ordinance can remain in force A. for 3 months, B. for 6 months, C. for 9 months, D. indefinitely. The right answer is B. 16. Judicial review in the Indian Constitution is based on A. Rule of law, B. Due process of law, C. Procedure established by law, D. Precedents and conventions. The right answer is C. 17. The drafting of the Constitution was completed on A. the 26th of January 1950, B. the 26th of December 1949, C. the 26th of November 1949, D. the 30th of November 1949. The right answer is C. 18. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer is C. 19. Which innovative discussion process is introduced by the Indian Parliament to the world parliamentary systems? A. Question hour, B. Zero hour, C. Resolutions, D. Presidential speech. The right answer is B. 20. The judges of the Supreme Court retire at the age of A. 60 years, B. 65 years, C. 62 years, D. 58 years. The right answer is B.